and so that way I can do some cable management, keep all the cables all tidy. So I'll just take these off for now. Fan goes on the bottom. And I also realized that this power supply didn't come with any screws. That's okay, I got extras and ones that I just got out. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry guys for cutting parts out, but I didn't realize how crammed it's gonna be. But here's the problem. I'm gonna have to put all these wires in through here because there's so many wires and they're just so long and they're just going all over the place, and can't really fit the power supply up in there unless I move this front.